Be sure to watch my other videos on the Entrada community located in St. Augustine, Florida. My name is Charlie Flores and I'm a realtor with Exit One Stop Realty. Enjoy the video. Hello everyone, thank you for watching. This is your local St. Johns County realtor. If you would like to connect, my contact information is in the description below. The master planned community Entrada is located in St. Augustine, Florida, off State Road 207 and about a 3-minute drive to Interstate 95. This natural gas community features express homes by D.R. Horton and also the D.R. Horton line. Express homes feature single and two-story open concept floor plans being developed on 40-foot home sites. Floor plans offer 3 to 5 bedrooms and range from approximately 1,402 square feet up to approximately 2,499 square feet. Standard features in the express homes include easy care laminate countertops, durable no-wax vinyl flooring, smooth top range and matching recirculating range hood, easy care and durable fiberglass tub showers with integrated surround per plan in all baths. Dorado is a gated neighborhood at the Entrada community that features D.R. Horton Homes. D.R. Horton offers single and two-story open concept floor plans that are being developed on 50-foot home sites. Floor plans have 3 to 5 bedrooms and range from approximately 1,701 square feet up to 2,492 square feet. The D.R. Horton line also offers a smart home package, and some features include a video doorbell and smart light switch. Some home features include 42-inch upper cabinets, granite countertops, and recessed lighting in the kitchen. The Dorado neighborhood offers home sites that back up to lake and natural preserve. Decorated models at Entrada include the Berkeley, the Cali, and the Camellia. The Entrada community will also feature an amenity center that will include a fitness center, pool, splash pad, meeting room, and a tot lot. The Entrada community is about an 11-minute drive to historic downtown St. Augustine, where there are plenty of attractions, shops, and restaurants. The beach is about a 17-minute drive and about a 40-minute drive to downtown Jacksonville. Be sure to hit the like button and the bell icon to stay up to date with my videos. I hope you've enjoyed the video. This is Charlie Flores with Exit One Stop Realty. Thank you for watching.